The technology monitor can check any page for changes in coding frameworks, analytics, tracking pixels, marketing tools, CMS, or server stacks. This type of monitor is ideal to check if a tracking script was removed by mistake, or to monitor prospects and get alerts when vendor or tool changes are detected. To get started, enter the URL you want to check and click Preview. Hexowatch will detect the current tech stack used on the page. You can then choose to monitor for any tech stack changes, or specify a specific technology or script to look out for. Based on your objective, you can select the frequency of the checks, from every 3 months down to every 5 minutes for rapidly changing pages. Then click Start Monitoring to get started. Hexawatch will keep an eye on the page and will notify you when tech stack changes are detected. The Tech Stack Monitor also provides advanced settings. You can tap into our optional residential proxies for more complex scenarios, providing access to server locations all around the world. Custom notification channels can be used to receive alerts via Discord, email, Telegram, Slack, Zapier, your browser, or via webhook. User agent options allow your organization to whitelist Hexawatch. Advanced scheduling options are also available to customize your monitor to your needs. Tags can be used to organize your monitors inside your account.